Let us perform an activity to prove that the images formed by plane mirror are upright and of same size. So you can see here a book is kept of physics, ICSE and physics is written. Now have a look. I am placing the physics book and a mirror. Now you can see the diagram of balls of same size. This is your book and this is the mirror image. Now I am going to show you the physics written. So here you can see physics and ICSE Srijan. So these you can see the mirror images. Is it clear? Okay, now I have taken here a Fevistick. You can see a Fevistick and a pen, and on this pen it's written Link Starline GL. So now let us perform the activity. So now you can see here Fevistick is written. So this Fevistick, what this is showing? It is showing lateral inversion. You can see lateral inversion. I'll be telling you what is lateral inversion. Now you can see here Starline link. This is also now in mirror image. You can see it's laterally opposite. Laterally opposite. From your activity book, that is activity number 2, in that also you can see on a white cardboard it's written L, and when we are seeing into a plane mirror it is showing lateral inversion. Then in something more it's written the ambulance vans have a word ambulance written laterally inverted as, the spelling you can check, when its image is read in the mirror of others vehicle moving ahead, it's read correctly. Then you can see physics, it's written, and in the mirror image it is showing laterally inverted. Now in activity number 3, you can see a car is kept in front of mirror. So for this activity we can do, I have taken a Fevistick only and a mirror. So you can see as I move it, you can see the movement. As I am taking the Fevistick far away, its image is also going far away inside the mirror only. What we are seeing, as we are bringing near, it becomes near, and as I am taking it far, it appears that it is going far away inside the mirror only. Now you have to take a sheet of paper and you have to hold it on the mirror, and you have to move forward and backward with whatever material you are using in front of mirror. You have to try it and observe what you are observing. So while observing, you will observe that the image does not appear on the paper at any position.